السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our fans. Aha. Galatoma. We are with the cameraman himself.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. What is your name? Is you?
My name is Abdi Qadir Yusuf Ismail.
The father of my mother. No. What is that I said?
Abdi Qadir Yusuf Ismail.
Yes, it's two fathers, the same matters.
Two presidents too?
Yes, two fathers, two matters.
Yes.
Yes, we are together. Today is only English is speaking together. Yeah. English is we have the friend is Kia is here is speaking English.
Me. How are you?
Are you thief?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you thief?
Well, yeah.
Ask him.
Are you thief?
Yes.
Are you thief?
Yes.
What have you thieved?
Hatu.
It's a small baby. Say hi.
Hi Jet. Hi. Alkar kulfra ka.
Hi.
Mayerindu.
Hi.
Mayrin.
You are baby.
Beautiful.
Your baby is here.
Mayrin. Fans balaki wote Mayrin.
Yes.
Is your baby is here?
It's baby here.
Hi.
It's in the morning. It's going.
The prophet English says, Mambo ya laugh.
Mambo ya laugh. That is not English. That is Swahili. It's Mambo ya laugh. It's Swahili. It's in English. It's saying laugh.
The proverb English we say that laugh without sugar is like shit without sugar.
What is that saying now?
Yeah.
Tap to invite you.
Yeah. Good. Say kosa moja.
Yes.
Laugh without
Thank
sugar.
you for joining us.
Laugh without sugar is like tea with bahaliake.
What? Laugh without?
Sugar is like tea without bahaliake.
No. Exactly. It's understanding me not. Yes.
Language barrier ama.
Scoff language barrier. It's barrier is the one gari nakatasa kupita yani nami baudowa.
Bana. معناها نيني لغة هتويس فهمه.
Okay. It's
zamani ilikuwa watu hawajui lugha wanajua wanakoroga maji na maziwa.
Exactly. Now still people is subscribe to channel.
Yeah. Bahaliake TV. Kia Tia Tube.
Exactly.
Igla
Manyawe.
Tia Tube. Nimesema.
Abdike
Tube. Nimebadilisha unajua Abdike Official.
Abdike Official.
Wacha.
Exactly.
Nimeingia mambo ya nini Tube.
Oho.
Nilikuwa sijapenda lakini nimekoroga sahi kwa Tube.
Yes.
Yeah.
Follow us on YouTube, on TV, Facebook of Bahaliake TV.
Bahaliake mimi naona mtu ya kwanza anavaa tai mbili mzima.
The only button is with two ties.
Two ties.
Exactly.
Two ties.
Two ties.
Mimi 3 ties.
Yes, we have our man here. Aigalu.
Hi.
Muzekia. To shoot. Aki. Go fia wale.